Ay, jurat ang puto.
Wala, daming-daming natakan sa batis.
Shit, ano yan? Pababayan, kuya. Ba't parang pahirap? Hindi. Duda.
Malalaman natin.
Parang ang dulas, kuya.
Hindi naman, te.
Ay, shit, madulas.
Teka lang, titigilan ko muna yung pagbibig.
Kailangan tatlo! Kakalimutan na kita! Isa! Dalawa!
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light. Feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as the years go by. It's easier to love, oh, oh. Easier to love, oh, oh. There's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away. And the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light. Feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as the years go by. It's easier to love, oh, oh. Easier to love, oh, oh. If the sky is falling down on me, you'll be the one that's by my side to lift away from me. And if I find myself in reckless seas, you'll be the one to pull me back into reality. Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks.
Ganyan ang dapat na ano, jowa.
Atake, ganyan.
Ganyan ang atake.
So I never leave.
Sana all. Ano lang masasabi ko. Te, magkano bili natin itlog kanina? 25?
Oo, ata. Sorry, hindi ko tinatandaan.
Na-energize na, na-energize.
Oh, oh. It's easier to love, oh, oh. Easier to love, oh, oh. Easier to love.
Mag-group picture kaya tayo dito. Wait po. Sagada life. Galit sila sa'yo ko, Jess.
Galit na. Iba na sarap yung hinagis mo. Ano? Ba't ako?
Ito, Bonami.
Ay, walang bonami.
Anong,
Sige, okay lang.
anong binibili mo?
Tiisin ko na lang. Tiisin ko na lang yung
Alaksan.
hilo. Check.
Isa lang sa akin. Ikaw?
Walang bonami. Hindi ako nasasaktan ngayon.
Okay.
Inom ka ba na alaksan?
Hindi ta.
Dalawa lang po.
Anong binibili mo? Alaksan FR. Saka efficacent. Yung dalawang Yakult. Pero ka bang malamig? Kasi ka okay lang. Yakult. Freshen. Dito tayo sa upuan. Dito tayo sa upuan.
Gusto niyo ba?
Valid eh.
Ayaw mo?
Doon na lang siguro.
Bakit ayaw mo?
Yun talaga wala na sakit. Isang anuhan na lang.
Diyos, ano nangyari sa kanya?
Ito po ang ating resulta ng combo ng Marlboro Hills siya ng blue. With a price.
Okay na.
Ngayon po ay hinahaplas niya na ng efficacent oil.
Ikaw naman.
Efficacent oil.
Sagot. Isa pa.
Tayo dito magalit sa Sagada. Walang out. Shut out.
Hindi ako.
Ay, what out? Para makaano kayo.
Hindi lang ako bibili. Ayoko ng kape. Masakit yung check ko eh. Ganda, no? Cute.
Cappuccino na lang. Cappuccino. Cold. Ice. Just, ano yung nino mo?
It's, ano ba to? Classic. Masyayato.
Ikaw, Lai, ano yung nino mo?
Yakult. Okay ka ba dyan?
You just classy, I ain't trying to keep it concealed. Oh mama, I want it, just let it fall off. If you tell me that you want it, baby, it's a done deal. Oh mama, I want it, oh. Why you acting like you gotta wait for it, honey? I know I've been in your head like shea butter, honey. You go out and tell your friends that we ain't none. They be in the group chat knowing that it ain't 100. Tell your ex-man brush up on his openers, cause I'm in California trying to put you where the ocean is. Hit the text late like you just now opened it. Yeah, I believe that. Oh, and I know you think you're still on the low, but I heard how you feel from everybody you know. Oh, you're just classy, I ain't trying to keep it concealed. Oh mama, I want it, just let it fall out. If you tell me that you want it, baby, it's a done deal. Oh mama, I want it, oh. How you scared of making plans when your friends all calling me your man? How you pull up in the pants and you saying you don't even wanna dance? If you tell me that you want it, baby, it's a done deal. Oh mama, wanna see you with the spot round. Hey, you ain't gotta tag me. I can meet the arm in the background, babe. And I know when you working as a hostess, they be tryna let you out late. But how late? Cause I'll be at the next place calling a date. Okay. And I know you think you're still on the low, but I heard how you feel from everybody you know. Oh, you just concierge and trying to keep it concealed. Oh, mama.
Poncho Pilato.
Sorry.
Sige lang. May halaman nga yun. As a sweet girl?
Sakay na. Sakay na. Ha?
Sa kabilang side.
Ay, ako pala dun sa dulo. Ako pa yung
Sige. Sa ano ba tayo? Simbahan lang? Tok-tok ride.
What's it like inside your mind, my dear? And do you find it terrifying then? You always let me know, you always let me go my way. You always let me know, you never let it show my teeth. My only friend to the What's it like inside your mind, my dear? Terrified of getting over you. You always let me know, you always let me go my way.
Sabi ko, ano yung nalutuin mo, Mars? Nagkikisa lang daw.
Yan ang nagustuhan ng ating
Inaamoy-amoy.
Ako pong inimit siya ng masa. Doris Lord.